Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. While using Windows VPS, Remote Desktop is a great feature that allows you to access and administer a computer remotely. However, in certain circumstances, if you have incurred any changes related to the RDP service on the Windows server, then you need to reboot the Windows. Rebooting Windows is the most common tactic to fix the problem, but you can restart the RDP service if you want to save time. There are 3 different ways to restart your remote desktop service. First of all, log into the server as an administrator. Please refer to how to connect VPS via RDP at the link we put on the screen for more details. You can restart the RDP service from the Windows Services console. It is an easy method to restart the service. Here, we have mentioned the steps for the same. Go to the Run and type services.msc. Search for the Remote Desktop Services. Right-click on the Remote Desktop Services, click on the Restart, and it will restart your service. If you don't have access to the Services console on the Windows server, you can restart it via Task Manager. Right-click on your VPS taskbar and click on the Task Manager. Please search for the term service and right-click on it. Here, you will see an option to restart the service. We can also restart the RDP service using the PowerShell command. Here, we have mentioned steps to restart the RDP service via PowerShell. Click on the Start button and search for PowerShell. Run the following command. Or this command. So we learned how to restart remote desktop service without rebooting the Windows server. You can use any of the methods mentioned above to restart remote desktop services.